The Coinbase hack from last year is the gift that keeps on giving, because right now there are some scam text messages going around. We know this is a scam because of a couple different reasons. One, Coinbase will normally not text you in this format. It says your Coinbase email has been changed to patel19463@gmail.com successfully. If it wasn't you, call this number. Remember guys, Coinbase is never going to be reaching out to you, asking you to call them, text them, email them. They're never going to ask you for money. They're never going to ask you for login information. The only time they might reach out to you is if you have notifications on. If let's say you just ordered a new debit card or credit card, they might tell you to activate it, but then it will tell you to go based off the information on the back of the card. On rare cases, when like they did get hacked last year, they'll send out warning things saying don't click on anything, don't answer calls, don't respond to text, stuff like that. If you've been in crypto for a while, you are probably not going to fall for any of this, but if you know people who are older or just getting into crypto, something like this might scare them and they might jump the gun trying to fix a problem that's not already there. So please be careful.